So I'm going to show you how to apply keyframe. So keyframe are normally found in the effect control. Keyframe are used to control a certain thing on your video, or the position, the scale, rotation, or any effect that you apply on your video. Now I'm going to drag this video here so that I can use the keyframe. So if I select the video, now these are the effects for that video. Now I'm going to show you different things on how to change the position. This one is changing the position on the horizontal or the x-axis, and then this one is changing the position on the y-axis or vertically. So this one is the scale. Maybe you want to scale in or scale out, and this is the rotation if you want to rotate your video, depending on how you want it to appear. So I'll return it back to 0. You can just click 0 and I press enter. And then opacity is how clear you want your video to appear. As 100, it's very clear, but as you reduce the opacity, you can see it is not seen very well. Now keyframe helps you to control maybe something from, depending on the time that you want it to appear, for how long, or how do you want it to look like at maybe a certain point. So I'll drag this thing to the beginning of my video. Now I'll show you how to create keyframe using maybe scale, or I'll use the position. So for keyframe to appear, you must click this toggle animation. So once I click it, you can see the effects appear here, the keyframe. Now this is the keyframe. I've just drag it here so that you can be able to see. Now this is my keyframe. So at the beginning, it indicates that my video will be in this position. Then I'll just drag it. Maybe at this point, I'll want my video to be maybe that part. Then at this point, I'll want my video maybe to be this part. Then at this position, I'll want my video to have disappear it on this. So for me, I've used the horizontal or the x-axis. Now let's see how it will behave. So those are keyframe. These are keyframe. So if you want it to move faster, you reduce the distance between the keyframe. You just drag it. You select maybe this one, and then you drag. Now the speed will increase. That's how you create keyframe. Now these are the keyframe. It just control your video depending on what you want to control. Maybe you want to control the rotation or the scale or the position or even the opacity or any effect that you applied on your video. So that's how keyframe are created, and there are different effect things that you can apply on your keyframe. You can cut them, you can undo, you can copy, you can clear. Clear is the same as deleting. You can copy the effect and you can copy the keyframe and apply it on another video. You can select all, and then this one is how you want it to appear. Maybe the slow motion, how you want the keyframe or that video to appear. So these are this is how you apply the keyframe on your video.